case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1964, the Supreme Court of Texas heard the case Unthank v. Rippstein, which involved a dispute between Mrs. Iva Rippstein and the executors of C.P. Kraft's estate over a personal letter. In the letter, Kraft had promised to send Rippstein $200 cash every month for the next 5 years, and an additional payment for September 1960. After Kraft's death, Rippstein sued for both the matured monthly installments and a declaration of the executor's liability to pay future installments, arguing that the agreement had subjected Kraft's whole property to the Texas Trust Act. The court clarified that for a trust to be valid, there must be a clear obligation for someone to manage the assets and certainty regarding the assets and their beneficiaries. In this case, the court found that the marginal notation in the letter was too uncertain to establish a trust that could be enforced. Rippstein claimed that the notation amounted to a written instrument that imported consideration, but the court determined that it lacked the mutuality of obligation necessary for a valid contract. Ultimately, the court decided that the letter did not establish a voluntary trust, and as such, Kraft's property was not bound to the promised payments. Instead, it was ruled that the notation only represented a promise to make monthly gifts to Rippstein, and no contractual obligation could be imposed on the estate of Kraft. The judgment of the appellate court was reversed, and the trial court's judgment was affirmed.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.